Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL section. In this video, we learn yet another data type named as bit. Let's get started. So we'll see this with create table. I say TBL, let's say EMPs. Let's take few columns, a couple of columns like EMP ID int, this can be primary key, EMP name, varchar of let's say 100, and I want another column called as is active, and we'll make this as bit. So is active is to just to indicate or denote that if the employee is active, we are going to flag it off by some value, and if it is not active, we are going to flag it off by some value. Flag means we just insert one value. Now bit is a data type which accepts only two values, 1 or 0, and 1 means true and 0 means false. Simple. So let's execute, double click Alt F1 on this, on the table name. You see the is active length is 1, which means it takes 1 byte of space. So let's say insert into TBL employees, EMPs, EMP name, and then is active values. So I pass, let's say, this way. So in the bit column, I have to either pass 1 or 0. So I'll take two values to start with. And run this. So now let us do select star from this. So you see 1 and 0, fine. And we can do one more thing is have a couple of more numbers or rows. This time, to prove that one true means 1 and false means 0, I will insert the values in string true and false and execute this. So now you run this. There you go. The last two rows are 1 and 0. So what the SQL server does is, it converts true to 1 and false to 0. This is nothing but bit data type. Mostly these are the use cases how it could be used to store 1 or 0, and 1 over here is indicating yes, the employee is active currently. 0 means the employee is not active or may not be working. Similar use cases can come in different tables for entities. That's it about bit data type. See you in the next video.